Remember this little squishy? Our 11 centimeter butter squishy from the last video. And I saw guys you liked it a lot. But today we are taking it to a whole new level. I'm talking about 35 centimeters long squishy. We need a whole field of paper for this. Glue, do your job. I'm sticking these papers together to create one massive sheet. Since we're going big, we need all the space we can get for this giant butter. Oh, time for some maths. Don't you worry guys, I did the calculations so you don't have to. We're going for 35 centimeters by 8.3 centimeters to keep that perfect butter shape. I feel like a professional architect right now, except instead of a house, I'm building a giant snack. Now for the side panels. These are the end caps. They're going to close up the squishy and give it that perfect box shape. Wait a minute. Look at the bottom and top. I totally forgot to put them to right place. Okay, quick fix. I'll steal some paper from the left, stick it on the right, and boom! Problem solved. Don't tell anyone. It's a pet job. At this rate, I'm going to need a bigger desk or a smaller hobby, but we're too far in to stop now. Okay, time to clean up these messy pencil lines before the marker goes on. Just a little bit of erasing and wait, oh no, I rubbed so hard I actually tore the paper. Great start, right? Just pretend you didn't see that. Writing butter in giant fonts so even my neighbors can see what I'm making from their window. I want there to be zero confusion. This is a salted masterpiece, not a yellow school bus. Now we go in with the blue marker. Why blue? Because blue means salted. But just know that salted butter means 10% better squish. It's a scientific fact I just made up. Look at that blue pop against the yellow. Now, you might be wondering why there is a random coffee sticker just sitting there on my table. Is it a decoration? Well, let's do a big reveal in 3, 2, 1. Bam! It was hiding a hole the whole time. Yep, I may have gone a little too beast mode with the tools earlier. Have you ever used a sticker to hide a mistake? Alright guys, buckle up because we are entering the coloring marathon. I'm not kidding when I say this part took forever. Looking at this huge 35 centimeter sheet of paper on camera is one thing, but actually feeling every single millimeter with this yellow marker, my hands are literally begging for a break right now. I will be layering the colors to get that perfect buttery glow. It's a full-on workout honestly. Who needs the gym when you can just make giant squishies, right? And while I'm struggling here, I want to take a second to say a huge thank you to everyone who has hit that subscribe button lately. You guys are the absolute best. Seeing the support on these videos is what keeps me going even when my marker is running out of ink and my hand is cramping. I truly believe we can build something amazing here. So I'm setting our next big milestone at 500 subscribers. I know it's a big jump, but I totally believe we can hit it together. If you are watching this and you haven't joined the squad yet, please hit that subscribe button. Just look at the scale of this thing. I'm honestly struggling to even fit it in the frame of the video. It's officially taking my entire desk. At this rate, I'm going to need a bigger house just to store my squishies. And guys, I will be real with you. I'm still a beginner. I don't have all the fancy equipment or the expensive professional tripods yet. I'm basically out here DIYing the video just as much as I am DIYing the butter. I'm trying my absolute hardest to make these videos great for you with what I have. If you keep supporting the channel and we keep growing, my dream is to upgrade all my gear so that I can make even higher quality insane videos for you guys. Every single subscribe helps me get there. So thank you for believing in me since day one. I'm cutting along the edges very carefully because one wrong move and this giant butter becomes giant confetti. Now we are doing the folding. This is a moment of truth where it actually starts looking 3D. I'm using double-sided tape to keep everything clean. But let me tell you, peeling the backing off this tape is the most stressful part of this entire video. If you've ever struggled with double-sided tape, You know the pain. I'm sliding my hand inside now to push out the corners and get that perfect crisp box shape. You have to be gentle but firm. It's like I am giving the butter a little pep talk from the inside. Look at that volume. It's finally coming together and it looks so satisfying already. Look at that perfect crisp box shape. It's amazing. Now I am putting a long piece of tape so it doesn't open and leak all of its filling. Time for the best part, the stuffing. But honestly, this giant is so huge that I actually ran out of cotton halfway through. So don't tell anyone. Shh. But I had to borrow some fluff from my couch cushion. Sorry, couch. But this butter needs that ultimate slow rise squish. I'm basically feeding this thing a lifetime supply of cotton to make sure every corner is chunky and perfect. It's finally time for what we've all been waiting for, the ASMR. Let's see how this chunky beast actually sounds. Look at last video's squishy. It's like a tiny baby next to this huge monster. See ya next time.